Hey everyone, I'm Greg with RC Driver, and the crazy 2020 holiday season is upon us, and you may have a list in your hands right now that says someone wants an RC car and you don't know what to get. Well, you have found the right video. I am here to help, and what I have in front of me here are my 5 picks for cool RC crawlers in 2020 that are ready to run right out of the box, and they're really going to be a great gift for somebody. So let's start off at this end over here. This is the Axial SCX103, and this came out pretty recently this year. This is a great rock crawler from a really well-known brand, Axial Racing, and this obviously comes out of the box just like this. It's available in 2 colors, a reddish orange version and this gray version. It's a Jeep Rubicon style body. It's a licensed body, so it's got a lot of detail to it. Even has an interior, LED lights, and then the chassis itself is very capable. It has portal axles, which help clear rocks a lot easier. It has a very strong transmission in there and really good electronics from the Spectrum brand. Spectrum radio system, Spectrum servo, and Spectrum speed controller, which is all great stuff for an entry level ready to run such as this. This was an absolute blast to drive. We tested it. The video is here on the channel of the test if you'd like to see it. I will put links in the description below, as well as links where to buy all of this stuff. But this truck right here is a lot of fun. A lot of people have been getting into RC with this rig and being really successful at it. All right, the next one I have in line is the Redcat Gen 8 Axe Edition, and this is a great crawler as well. This also has the portal axles. It's got this awesome off-road looking body with an open cage on the back. They even give you a cover if you want to install that on the top. But this is a very good chassis. A lot of people have been getting into scale crawling with the Redcat brand as well, and they have some great features on this rig. The most notable is the electronics package in here. So they give you a good FlySky radio, they give you a Reefs high torque servo, and it has a hobby wing brushless speed controller and motor system in here that makes this thing crawl ultra smooth. So if you want something that is very capable with very good electronics right out of the box and where you don't have to upgrade it later on down the road, you might want to consider this kit. All right, the next one in line is actually from RC4 Wheel Drive, and this is the C2X. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you this is this has a hard body on it. This is an ABS hard body, where the rest of these are Lexan. This is a thin plastic, and this is a nice hard plastic. But this is a very cool truck because of the hard plastic body. It's got a short utility bed on the back, really good tires, good electronics package, metal frame, metal suspension links, aluminum shocks, and this was a great truck to go out and just get into crawling with and you know, have that cool hard body on there. A lot of people love detailing hard bodies, and it looks great when you're taking pictures out on the trail with this off-road rig. All right, next up in line is from Element RC. This is the Trail Runner, and there are a number of different crawlers from the Element brand, but I picked the Trail Runner because this is a little bit of a different off-road vehicle in comparison to these, because this one has independent front suspension. Most off-road trucks have solid axles front and rear, and the independent suspension makes this really unique. Now, this is a great off-road crawler. It's got a really cool look to it, but what makes it even more special is it comes with accessories, so you can go and change up the look of it right out of the box. It actually comes with a white bumper on the front, and then you could go and put this other bumper on, this off-roading bumper. It's in the box. You could put the snorkel on, it's in the box, and even the decal sheet. It comes with a number of different decals, so you can customize it to the way you want it to look. Plus, it's really capable out there on the trail. There is a lot of option parts for it, and is a fun rig to drive. Now, this one here, this isn't exactly how this truck comes out of the box. This is a Traxxas TRX4 Sport. Now, when I got this truck, just had a red body on here, none of the fancy parts that you see, but it is a very, very good crawler. This is a crawler that a lot of people have been getting because you could do so much with it. It's got portal axles, steel frame rails, metal links, aluminum shocks, a really rugged driveline. And because of that, it's the reason why I wanted to show you this kit. Now, this one may take you over the top because, you know, it shows you what you could do with this particular vehicle. But Traxxas, again, is a great brand that makes a great crawler. And if you go to any sort of competition out there or just a fun gathering, you're probably going to see a Traxxas TRX4. It's that good of a ready to run truck. All right, so there's my 5 picks for ready to run RC crawlers to get as a gift this holiday season. Hope that made everything a little bit easier for you as far as choosing what would be the best for the person you're getting a gift for. I will have links to everything down below, so you can just go there, buy this easily if you need to, or head over to the manufacturer's website for more information. And while you're down in that section, please hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell and throw this video a like. If you have any questions or comments, throw it in that section below as well. We'll see you back soon for some more RC Driver videos.